everyone, it's Steph with another vocal warm-up. Today we are going to look at projecting our voice and opening our mouth so we get those sounds nice and clear. So we're going to start with a m, m, m sound. So we're going to start with a hum, and as we're humming, we're going to open that up into a ma sound, like this. Big deep breath, nice in. Ma. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Ma. Good, so make sure that breath is coming from deep down in your belly and join in. Breathe in and ma. Good. Okay, one more time. Nice big deep breath in and ma. Good. So we're going to go up a little bit now. So we want that a little bit higher, like this. Ma. Show you again. Nice big deep breath in down to your belly. Ma. Okay, perfect. Join in with me. Big breath in. Ma. Good. One more time. Join in. Big breath in. And ma. Good. Fantastic. Now we're going to go very low. So we're going to start with a and open that up. So I'll show you like this. Big deep breath in. Ma. Good. Okay, one more time. Ma. Good. Okay, now join in with me. Ready? Big deep breath in. And ma. Good. Okay. So now we're going to look at projection, how we get our voice out to the audience so they can hear us clearly without shouting. So what I want us to try is the sentence, hi, hello, how are you? Again, hi, hello, how are you? Hi, hello, how are you? And I really want you to push that forward. Hi, hello, how are you? Okay, so join in with me. Hi, hello, how are you? Good. And again. Hi. Hello. How are you? Fantastic. Good. Okay, so this time I want you to say it to me. Hi. Hello. How are you? And again. Just enough to me. Hi. Hello. How are you? Good. So now I want you to give it just enough volume to reach the wall in front of you. Hi. Hello. How are you? So it helps if you look at exactly where you're sending the sound to. So where exactly on this wall are you sending the sound to? So I'm sending mine over here. And hi. Hello. How are you? Good. And again, look exactly where you're sending the sound to. Hi. Hello. How are you? Good. Now this time I want you to think about somebody in the next room, okay? And we're going to send the sound to them. So I want it big enough to send the sound to the next room. Hi. Hello. How are you? Okay, and hi. Hello. How are you? Again, to the next room. Hi. Hello. How are you? Good. Brilliant. And you try again one more time. Fantastic. So this time we're going to think about somebody outside on the street and how are we going to get them to hear us? Okay, so we need this loud enough so somebody on the street can hear us, but without shouting. We're going to push that from our belly. Those big deep breaths that we've been working on, we're going to use those to push the sound out. So it's going to come up and out into the street. Okay, so hi, hello, how are you? Okay, again. Big deep breath in. Hi, hello, how are you? Brilliant. And one last time. Hi, hello, how are you? Good. And when we are back in the theatre, this is really useful for when you're about to start a performance, and think about sending that sound right to the back of the audience so the very person at the very back can hear you. And how are you going to send that sound straight up to them? So hi, hello, how are you? Make sure that sound is coming right up to the person at the back so everybody can hear your beautiful performance.